Good day everyone, and welcome to this presentation on Samsung Electronics. My name is Matt, I'm the IT analyst for PSG Wealth. Our report covers the latest reports on Samsung, which covers the second quarter results for 2021. The results show a consensus beat across the board. All segments did well except for smartphones, which were impacted by seasonality and supply constraints. In this report we focus on governance, and in our valuation we introduce a governance discount, and that leads us to an underweight recommendation. So looking at the results, we've got revenue, which was up 20% to 63.7 trillion Korean won. Operating profit was up 54%, EBITDA was up 36%. Net income and earnings per share were up 75% and 72% respectively. As you can see, the results beat expectations on the top and bottom line, and per segment, all segments beat expectations except for internet and mobile, which were affected by supply constraints and seasonality of smartphones. Our report also describes a timeline of the events regarding the heir of Samsung. He's the largest shareholder, and despite being vice chairman, he has significant influence over the company. He's currently got a 5-year employment ban, which is also potentially delaying some critical decision making, particularly in the M&A space. Since our last report, Samsung has outperformed the benchmark. However, on a year-to-date basis, it has lagged the benchmark, with the benchmark up 19% and Samsung down over 11%. As you can see in this graph, its PE has also come down a lot with the weak year-to-date performance. And then just finally on our assessment, we think Samsung is a high-quality business. It's diverse in revenue and geography. It's exposed to some fundamental growth drivers which have still got lengthy runways. It's got a strong balance sheet with a large amount of cash. It's got a net cash position of nearly $85 billion. We value Samsung with a sum of the parts valuation using peer multiples, but to address our dislike of the governance situation, we've introduced a 25% governance discount. Typically, holding companies get a 15 to 20% discount. So we've introduced a subjective governance discount of 25% to show our dissatisfaction, and that leads us to an underweight recommendation. If you'd like to place a trade, please speak to your financial advisor or contact the dealing desk. Additionally, you can find our report on Samsung on MyBase. And then please just take note of the following disclaimer before we end off. Thank you.